Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the sign-in won't fail. Make sure Windows is updated and you have your Microsoft account email, password, and a working second factor method. If you use a work or school account, check credentials with IT. Once ready, open Settings, go to Accounts, and select Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Follow prompts, enter your email and password. If the system asks to verify identity, complete the 2FA step. This gets you started without wasting time on basic checks. You now proceed through the detailed linking steps that grant the account access and enable syncing. After entering credentials and approving any 2FA request, read the sync options and choose what to back up: settings, passwords, OneDrive files, and preferences. Make sure to enable device encryption if offered and accept terms. Next, you'll be prompted to create a PIN or set up Windows Hello for quicker login. Do that now for convenience. Once done, the system will begin syncing your profile and data. You finish by confirming the account is linked and services are syncing. Open Settings and verify your Microsoft account appears under Accounts, then check OneDrive and Settings sync status. Make sure Windows is activated under System Activation. If syncing fails or sign-in is blocked, check system time and internet first, then retry the sign-in. Time mismatch often breaks authentication. If problems persist, remove the account from Accounts, restart, and add it again. Contacting support or IT is the last.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.